His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the performance actually ubia eniaje bonabasu so far where economy no ye driving a car and some of the things are eba. But unfortunately, your uncle bi ewo eye aban and of course the party omo person omo sanwe egune gare mu, and these are some of the things that esi eka ho asem. Minim so what the esi broni krom yi. Say ye be din komo. Yeah. And you know, very sad. But who say Eric J appost to Sadia no? Ana or condemn, and I'm happy. Unimadia manage pa. Adia manage ne say. Since yesterday a news neba out, we have gotten leaders in Peninfubi and the NDC mua. They've started condemning the SCN. Esutifinov MP Ebeneza Ado say Kwakuado. What leadi taxomunko bu NAIMOS fo a yen stop Galamsey no omo stop Galamsey yen ko bu no mo release omkofo a ya chi omo. Okay. And that is news coming in. Now we share video no so ne pictures here ba no a where he was present here. Ono omo aiding kita ho ne ade na tax no police station where do omo raka mu kra so o hene car and omo de NAIMOS for de ko omo pa car ne glass ni hina. I just wo hene no kra im say wo mu nya no kra wo a ono kra na ebu ase ebetumi abo eye NAIMOS fu ehun bai na nana Galamsey ya His Excellency the commander in chief o si Galamsey no yen stop it enti NAIMOS no wa show mu kuti pass wo mo mfa ba bia e bi wo bia no mo stop. And these are operations and national state operation. And you have said the ensemble bano any videos na ye hu no confirm say MP Esutifinov Ebeneza Kwaku Ado NDC MP which onya say 18,400 and something EDBT ne opponent and all 14,000 nana echre wo say the people trusted say NDC eba no ma baby be pebia protect
na story na amu tio story no MP ne say
Collins Dauda
enti me hu de enti I say the key thing, and I'm sure MP Usa oba ye nche
no vim no de kra say
vim na o de koi obo Collins Dauda no man doubt me onyanka na asem de but obia onim Collins Dauda on da hono honorable Ebeneza Kwaku Ado member of parliament for Esutifi North ni honta ye jedu MPP ye wo no 13th of May 1987 13th 1987 me cheno kra usa
and which me call soldier force sa
the religion Christian anya dia to
na say no hu ma me wa sorry
religion
and no hu ma me wa sorry
why
ba me jin
okay so sorry and honorable Collins Dauda ensunie ono nso ya wo no 13 February 1957 there's a wenyini was obey 68 years ne religion so Islam
there's a two ni nyina abam
obia onim honorable Collins Dauda unim ne background ye papa or a very experienced politician but o share to trust sempa opa obia onim no honorable Collins Dauda opa obia to trust some ties won the constituency papa o ka ho
these things are clear with Collins Dauda entina na on say abantie no na okwa ba ho
fama me
abantie na me ka ho asem no
DC okay
o de cobra
enti ma mene DC no enkasa so these are the two people
involved
yesusu say omo involved enti nana there be yesusu say
allegation
honorable Nana Asabredom